Hi, I'm SM Rasel, a talented freelancer from Bangladesh. I specialize in various sides, including WordPress and Shopify website development, e-commerce website lead generation, email marketing in MailChimp, and virtual assistants. Throughout my career, I have completed over 100 successful projects for clients worldwide. WordPress is a popular content management system (CMS) used by millions of websites around the world. I have years of experience working with WordPress and can provide you with the following services: WordPress installation, setup and theme customization, WordPress plugin integration and configuration, WordPress site speed optimization, WordPress website migration and maintenance, WordPress WooCommerce store design, WordPress site content creation and SEO optimization. If you are still confused, please contact me without hesitation. I guarantee you will be satisfied with my work. I always look to my buyer for satisfaction. Thank you and have a good day.